There's some fans in a new rental property my stepdad just bought. I don't know what either of these are. I think that's off. This one seems loose. This is the other one. That is loose. Oh. Well, that was not like that the last time I was here. I don't want to turn it off now. I guess it's junk. Yeah, these are probably gonna go. I don't really want either of them, but I thought I would show you. I don't really want to turn that on with the broken blade. I guess I could try. Ooh. Yeah, it does work. It's just broken. I don't know what. Probably cheap junk. I thought these look like quorum ball chains to me, but I'm not really too sure. Cooled all the exhaust fan too in the kitchen. So that's kind of interesting. Some old lights. There's this thing, which is maybe related to this because there's no lighting in this switched outlet. There's that light there too.